Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, we want to say thank you for the change so my group can deliver our material about American literature in contemporary period 1950 until present, presented by Group 5. Okay, let's get started. Lifestyle. By the turn of 21st century, American literature had become a much more complex and inclusive story, grounded in a wide-ranging body of past writing and produced in the United States by people of different backgrounds and open to more American in the present day. Literature written by African Americans during the contemporary period was shaped in many ways by Richard Wright, whose autobiography, Black Boy, was published in the 1945. He left the United States for France after World War II, repulsed by injustice and discrimination as he faced as black man in America. Other black writers working from the 1950s through the 1970s also rested with the desire to escape an unjust society to change it. The American novel took an unceasing number of forms after World War II: realist, metafictional, absurdist, postmodern, autobiographical, short, long, fragmentary, strength of the consciousness. Thus, and a dozen more labels can be applied to the best American novelists. Little holds them together beyond their chronological proximity and engagement contemporary American society. Culture and the contemporary period. In the late of 20th century, American literature is often characterized in terms of its plurality and eclecticism. The diversification of cultural forms of particularly in visual and digital media and broader horizon about what constitutes cultural production have contributed to an environment in which being black, poor, or female no longer stands in the way of talent or strength of vision.
In American literature, fifth period, there are four kinds of genre. First is classic fictions. It's about classic novel or poems or film that represents a mirror that reflect life and human. The second one is science fictions. The third is literature for children, and the last but not least is graphic novel is about cartoon. And then we move to literary characteristic. There are fifth kind of characteristic. The first one is personal point of view, is reflect the social and political views. The second is innovative narrative resources. The third is magical realisms, and the fourth is about the pressing issues, and the last is influence of World War II.
Notable author. Number 1 is Robert Ellison's novel Invisible Man in 1952 tells the story of men unnamed black men adrift in and ignored by America. Number 2, Lorraine Hansberry, A Raisin in the Sun, a play about the effect of racism in Chicago, was first performed in 1959. Number 3 is Alice Waller, began writing novels, poetry, and short stories that reflected her involvement in the civil rights movement in the 1960s. Number 4 is James Baldwin, who wrote essay, novels, and play on race and sexuality throughout his life. His first novel, Go Tell It on the Mountain in 1953, is most complex and influential.
literary works. Badawi, Leila Abdelrazak. Leila Abdelrazak, born in Chicago, 1992. She is a Palestinian-American author and artist. Her debut graphic novel, Badawi, was shortlisted for the 2015 Palestine Book Awards and has been translated into 3 languages. She is also the creator of a number of zines and short comics. Badawi is the story of a young boy named Ahmad, struggling to find his place in the world. Raised in a refugee camp called Badawi in northern Lebanon, Ahmad is just one of the many thousands of refugee kids born to Palestinians who fled the homeland after the war in 1948 established the State of Israel. In the visually arresting graphic novel, Leila explores her father's childhood in the 1960s and 70s from a boy's eye view as he witnessed the world crumbling around him and attempts to carry on, forging his own path in the midst of terrible uncertainty.
Okay, that's all our material. Thanks for watching.